Hi guys, so a lot of people have asked me to do another tutorial on the Bonnie baby blanket to slow it down a little bit for you. So I'm going to start off with the usual, so it's a multiple of 3 plus 2. So I've got that here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skip that first chain next to the hook. We're going to go into the second, and into that second chain we are going to put 2 half double crochets. So skip this one, into the next we put 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. We're then going to skip 2 stitches or 2 chains, 1 and 2, go into that third one, and we're going to put a single crochet, and then into the same stitch we're going to put 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Then again we skip 2 and we go into the third, we put a single crochet, and then 2 half double crochets into the same space, 1 and 2. Then we skip 2 stitches or 2 chains, we go into that last chain and we put 1 single crochet to finish off the row. One single crochet for the next row, and this is the row we will continue repeating all the way across. We chain up 1, we turn our work into that same space there. We're going to put 2 half double crochets just like the first row. So we got 1 and 2 half double crochets. We're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into this third we're going to put the single crochet and 2 half double crochets. Okay, so we've got 1, 2 stitches we're skipping. Into the third we put a single crochet and then 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Repeat that again, so skip 2, into the third we put our single crochet and our half double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so and then when we get to the end we've got 1 stitch here, we're going to skip that 1 and we're going to go into the second there. We're going to put 1 single crochet, just like so. So at the beginning of each row you're going to chain 1, put 2 half double crochets, and then at the end of each row you're going to put 1 single crochet. Okay, so you just repeat those stitches all the way up until you've got as many rows as you need. Remember, I have got the tutorial on how to do the full blanket on my channel as well, but I've also got the written pattern for free, and I'll link it all down below for you as well, and as well as the materials that I use, and I've got them all down there. You can head over to my website, you can buy the pattern as well, PDF version of it to download and print as many times as you'd like, and that will be available on my website. I'll link that as well. Anyway guys, I hope this is okay for you and I hope you've got it now. I'm just going to do one more row for you just in case. So we've chained 1, we've turned our work, we've now got 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, always starting with 2 half double crochets, always skipping 2 stitches along here, 1, 2, into that third one. You can kind of see where it's got like the little shells that we've made, so it's into the little gaps. So skipping 1 and 2, into the third we put our single crochet and then our 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Then we're skipping 2 again, 1, 2, and we're putting a single crochet and then another half double crochet and one more half double crochet, and then we're skipping that one stitch and going into the last to put a single crochet, just like so. Oh, if I can get my hook through, there we go. Okay, so it was really as simple as that. It's a one row repeat, and really easy. So just get to grips with it if you can. If you can't, drop me a message and let me know, and I will see if I can help you further. But this really is a beautiful blanket to make, and I hope you enjoy making it. Anyway, that's all from me, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.